Hey there, adventurers!
Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on all things gaming and more. Today, we're delving into the world of Dungeons & Dragons with a product that's been causing quite a stir among spellcasting enthusiasts, the Stratagem Pocket Compendium Spellbook Holder. Now, if you're like me and you love diving deep into the realms of D&D, you know how important it is to keep your spells organized and at your fingertips. That's where this little beauty comes in.
Allow me to introduce you to what I believe is the best D&D spell card holder on the market.
First things first, let's talk about what makes the Stratagem Pocket Compendium so special.
Not only does it offer a sleek and elegant design, but it's also incredibly functional. With 26 pages in each spellbook and a total of 54 custom poker-sized playing cards included, you'll have all your spells and abilities neatly organized in one convenient place. But here's where it gets even better.
This spellbook holder isn't just for spells. It's also perfect for storing reference cards for artifacts, items, and abilities. Whether you're a cunning conjurer, a wily warrior, or a zealous paladin, the Pocket Compendium has got you covered. And here's the best part. The Pocket Compendium is fully compatible with official D&D 5th edition spell cards, so there's no need for any tinkering or adjustments. Plus, with 54 blank cards included, you have plenty of room for customization.
The possibilities are endless. Now, I know what you're thinking. But is it durable?
Absolutely.
The PU leather cover not only looks stylish but also provides a layer of protection for your precious spell cards. And thanks to the snap closure design, you can rest assured that everything stays securely in place, whether you're at the gaming table or on the go. But don't just take my word for it. Players everywhere are raving about the Pocket Compendium. It's been praised for its quality, size, and appearance, with many customers noting how it helps them stay organized during intense gaming sessions. So, if you're ready to take your D&D adventures to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Stratagem Pocket Compendium Spellbook Holder. With its combination of style, functionality, and durability, it's truly the ultimate companion for any aspiring spellcaster. Until next time, adventurers,
keep rolling those dice.
For more information and to get your hands on your very own Pocket Compendium, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Happy adventuring!